Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add more vocal shortcuts to the vocal shortcut feature in your iPhone running iOS 18. So if you've recently set up the vocal shortcut on your iPhone and you want to add more phrases, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up your settings. Next you want to scroll down until you see accessibility, tap on it. Then you want to scroll down until you see vocal shortcuts, tap on that. And now here you'll see all the vocal shortcuts you've added. So for myself, I've added the Simple Dad, which opens up YouTube. Now I'll go ahead and add another one. Tap on continue. Now here I want to go ahead and select the control center. So I'm going to open up the control center. Here I'll just put down open CC. And now once I press go, your iPhone will basically ask you to repeat open CC 3 times or whatever phrase you type in here. So I'll go ahead and set this up. Open CC, open CC, open CC. So now the action is ready. So while you're teaching your iPhone how to listen to you, so try to say the phrase in different voice tones. So now once I'm ready, I'll press continue. And now as you can see, I've got 2 actions set up as my vocal shortcuts. So now to test this out, I'll go back to my home screen and I'll say the phrase, open CC. And there you go, the control center has been opened. So there you go, that is how to add extra vocal shortcuts to your vocal shortcuts feature on your iPhone running iOS 18. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.